How to find your IP address using an Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you the way on how you can actually find your IP address on your Android phone. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The process to find your own IP address on your Android phone is pretty much very simple. All you need to do is you need to open up settings and you need to go to connections. And once you go to connections, at the very top, simply select Wi-Fi and you can see one of the network I'm connected to. So if I want to view the IP address of this network, I will simply tap on this gear icon which you see on the right hand side and I will select View More. Once I select View More, you'll see all the information which is related to this network. But if you want to view the IP address, you have to scroll down to the very bottom. You can see the section which is IP address, and you can see this little group of numbers at the very top of IP address as well, and this is simply your IP address. You also have your MAC address, your MAC address type, your matured network, your proxy, your IP settings, and so on. And this is simply how you can find your IP address using your Android phone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.